Hello everybody. In this tutorial, I'm gonna discuss about looping in PHP. I'm gonna show you for loop, for each, while, do while loop in PHP. First, I'm gonna show you the for loop. For will initialize a value with a variable, suppose 0. Will set the condition I less than 10. Then incremental value of the initialize I equal to I plus 1. We can do here something print, suppose hello world. Now I'm gonna test hello world. We can set here the I value to test what is happening. Zero to 9. So first at I equal to 0, that is printed, that increment the value, and second time check in I less than 10 or not. Here final look here 0, then 1. I is being implemented to 1, 0, 1. We printed there first time 0, printed this, increment this, and second time check in here. At last time when we got 9, I less than 10, that means 9, that is true, and printed. And finally when incremented by 1, that has been 10, I less than 10, that is false, and that will not be printed. Then when 9, what is happening? Echo $I. We got I10, and that is out of scope. When I equal to 10, loop will not work, that will be out. I will be out of this scope and loop will stop. When I equal to 10, that's mean I less than 10, that is false. So when this condition is true, the loop will work. If false, that will be out of this scope. We can increment here according to our need 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, finally 10. 10 is not less than 10. I got 10. So this is out of the scope of the loop. We can set here 5, 0, 5. When I equal to 0, when I equal to 5. When 10, condition is false. You can write here in this way when implemented by 1. I plus plus. Now I'm gonna show you Foreach. For Foreach, we need data in array. Array data will create array here. John Smith Robin Mike. We got data in array. We can print this and see equal the winner array data data we got at 0 John, at 1 Smith, so on. Now we're gonna do Foreach. Foreach our data and keyword as and is data. We are doing loop. This one is data. So our data, we are doing break here. Is data, we will print this. We got John Smith Robin Mike, and we can spread this with the key and value. Key value. We can print and can see what is happening. At 0, we got John, 1 Smith, and so on. We got data. So I have shown the Foreach. Next, we will see the while loop. For while loop, we need to start the keyword while. We need to set our condition. Suppose we can see the same as for loop. less than 10, we'll print this one, hello world. After print, we need to increment value. We need to initialize value of I. First, to initialize, we are checking the value I less than 10 or not. If I less than 10, true. When true? When true. Everywhere, when true the condition, then in the loop we'll get the data or will be executed. And here will come when false, will be out of this scope. Out of loop when I less than 10 is false. To initialize the value, we are checking the condition, we printed some value here or our other stacks according to need. We increment the I value and doing loop. Now I'm gonna take 0, 1 and finally 9 incremented by 1. So when 10 equal to 10, that is 10 less than 10, that is false and being out of scope of the loop, we can print here the value of I. Now I'm gonna show you the do while. You can copy this while condition as last, while condition is last, and starting with the do. We'll initialize the value and we'll print. In while, we are checking the value when entering into the scope while, but in do while we are not checking the condition, we are checking the condition finally. So this is do while. First to initialize the value, we did our task, we implemented, and we are checking the condition. We can test infinity for loop. If no condition, then what happens? For we're gonna test. This is infinitive for loop. No condition, no increment. We don't need to have an initialize and increment, and there is no condition, and that will be and will execute into the looping part forever. This is infinitive for loop. Thanks for watching this looping in PHP tutorial.